Before you start the video, make sure you go to Control Panel, Folder Options, View, and uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Okay? This way you'll be able to see always the file extensions.
Hi everyone, welcome to another lecture on HTML and CSS. In this lecture we will learn how to customize links and how to create different types of links. So we've learned how to create simple links to different web pages and different websites other than our website. So we can link now from our website to another website in the web, and also links from a web page inside our website to another web page. And I'm going to show you how to create links to download different types of files in other websites or in your own website. Okay, so we'll be able to create specific paths where files are stored, and the user will be able to download those files that are stored on our website. So we have our website inside this folder called website, and let's open that. And here are the files that we have, and let's create a text file and call it test1.txt. And let's open this and let's just type, for example, hi, this is just a test, and save it. Okay, perfect. So let's go back to the code and type, create a link here, and the name or the content on the href, the full path is the name of the file itself. So we're gonna call this test1.txt, and in here let's type text file. Save this. Let's run this in Chrome. Okay, there it is. So we have a link saying text file, and if we click it, you'll see that you see the content now of the text file itself. Now this will take you, as you can see here in the URL, will take you directly to the file itself and show us the content of that file. So browsers are able now to open the file on their location. Okay, but if we want to download the text file, we can also do it by clicking right button of the mouse and click Save As. Okay, save link as. And here it is, test1.txt that we have on our website, and now we are able to download and save this text or txt file in my computer. So let me save this on my desktop. And there it is, downloaded, and here it is, downloaded and in my desktop. Perfect. Okay, so this is how we can create download links in our websites. And also browsers, if you don't want to download, the browsers itself will open the file. If it is a text file or a picture, it will open in the browser itself. So you can see the content of the file before you decide to save as to your location or your local machine. Okay? Now there's also another feature very useful that you can use, which is, let me just show you before we talk about this new feature. Let me go and launch this in Chrome, and you'll see that when I click about or contact link to travel from one page to another on our website, every time I click the link we travel and the tab is always the same. So how can I do to open another tab or a new tab when I click a new link? So to do that is very easy. Let's go to the about.html path here, or the about link, and if you want to open the about in another tab automatically in your browser, you just have to type target, equals, double quotes, and underscore, and type blank. Okay, save that, and let's run this on Chrome. And if you go to the About page now, let me just click here. Let's go again to Chrome. Okay, so we have one tab, Home page, and if we click About page, you'll see that it opens a new tab, okay, for the About page. So this is how we can create or make the user to click a link and the new link will open on a new tab. You have to use on the links the target blank attribute. Okay, guys? Now I'm going to show you how to create links direct to locations in our web page content. So let's say we have a lot of content and the page is very, very long, and I create a link from another web page. So when I click the link, I will go directly to that specific part of the page, content of the page. Let's create those different contents. So let's go to the contact page, and here let's create a lot of content. So let's go to Google, let's type HTML, Wikipedia, let's grab all this, copy paste, and paste it here. Okay, so here it is. Let's put this between p tags, close p tag here, and let's give it a h1 here and close h1. Let's call this XHTML intro. And down here we'll create some more content. Let's go back, let's save this, and let's go back to the page down here and grab maybe all this, copy it, paste it here, put a P here and here at the end. Okay, now we have two paragraphs, and here let me just type H1, and here let's type H, close H1 as well, and let me type XHTML overview and save this. Now let's run this in Chrome. Let's see how it's presented. Okay, so this is what we have right now. We have a very big paragraph, and let's create one more paragraph. So let's go back to Wikipedia, motivation, perfect. Copy this, paste it here, closing P, and open P tag. And now as well we can type H1 and close H1, and here between we're going to type XHTML, and it was motivation. Save this. Let's run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, so now we have a large amount of information and content on this page, and let's say I'm in the home page and I want to create a link directly to this part or this content here. So what I do, we go in here and type, let's take the P out, and we have to create a anchor tag, but without the ahref. We create name, which is an attribute which will hold a value here. And let's give it a value so we can remember the XML motivation section. So I'm going to call this motivation. You can name it whatever you want. And at the end here we have to type A. So what this will do, it will recognize this section or this paragraph as the paragraph name with motivation value. Okay, this paragraph will be called motivation. And now we can create a link on another page so we can take us here directly. And you'll see what I mean. Let's go to index.html and create now a href. We type the name of the file or the page where we want to send the user, and then the pound symbol, and then we type the name or the value of the attribute name. Okay, so here after the pound symbol we type motivation. Let's call this read the HTML motivation section. Save this, run this in Chrome, and if we click here we will go directly to the motivation part, okay, as you can see here. So it will take us directly to the section where we want to send the user to. Okay guys, so this is how we can create, customize, and specify links to a certain part of a web page. So this is all for now, and see you on the next video, and don't forget to practice. Okay, bye.